Hello, and in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out how the web store admin for the WooCommerce platform-based web store owners can set up their mobile application from the admin backend panel. So today we are checking out the WooCommerce Mobikul Mobile App Builder plugin. And in the previous video, we showed you how the WooCommerce mobile application can be used by the customers using their Android and the iOS devices. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be seeing how the store admin would be able to set up the Mobikul Mobile App Builder for setting up the mobile application for your WordPress WooCommerce platform-based web stores. So let's hop onto the admin backend panel. And before proceeding further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So first of all, we'll be logging into the WordPress WooCommerce web store. And after login, we'll be seeing the dashboard here. So after you successfully install this WooCommerce Mobikul Mobile App Builder plugin, the admin can find this option here that says Mobikul, and under that we have a number of options that are there for configuring your mobile application for your WooCommerce store. So we'll go through each of them one by one. So let's hop onto the banners first. Let me open that particular page first. So under the app banners section here, the WooCommerce store owner can manage and can add new banner images for the Mobikul WooCommerce mobile app itself, and the admin can even manage the images in bulk to move the images into the trash as well. So for example, you can trash the images by selecting the images in bulk and can delete them as well. So these images are for the banners that you're going to create, and you can choose the type as category, product or image. You can also set the status for each of the app banners that you're going to create. Now to create a new app banner, you'll have to tap here in the add banner button, and that will bring up this section wherein the admin can create the banner. Now here you can see that we need to upload one image for the banner. Then we have to choose the banner type, whether you want to have it as an image only, do you want to have this banner type as a category, or the image itself. So for example, if you choose product, then you'll be able to choose the product from this particular drop down here. So you can see that I've chosen product, and now under the product oblique category we can choose a product for this banner image. So whichever image we use, and if we're selecting a product for that, whenever a customer taps on that banner, he'll be redirected to that particular product itself. For example, if I go with Apple iPhone 6 Silver, then tapping that particular image that we upload here, the customer will be redirected to this particular product page. So you can enable or disable this particular banner by choosing it as enabled or disabled as required. Apart from that, you can choose the banner type as category. Now choosing the category would bring up the complete list of categories within your store, and then you'll have to choose them up from this section. So right now you can see that after choosing the category, we have all of the categories being displayed here. You can enter the name of the category as well, and you can select that particular category. So whenever anyone taps on that particular banner, he'll be then redirected to the respective category that you've chosen. You can do the same for the banner type as image. Then you'll have to choose that image, and the customer would be redirected to that particular image. So that was about the banners under the Mobikul. So this is a section that is used to create and set up your mobile app for your WooCommerce platform-based web stores. Now coming to the featured products, also kindly note that you would have seen in the previous video I had shown you all of the banners, carousels, featured products, featured categories, and the rest of the things as well, like the external links. So we'll just be going through them one by one. Now right now I'm at the other section for the basically I need to go to the carousel first after the banners. So let me tap on the carousel. So here the admin will find the complete list of carousels that he had created. For the first time it would be empty, so you'll have to add your carousels. So you can do the bulk action, like you can delete any of the created ones by selecting them and doing it like a trash. and tapping here on the apply button. To add a new carousel, you can tap here on the add carousel button, and that would take you to the creation page with the new carousel that you want to create. Now you can set up the title for your carousel. You can choose the type of carousel, whether the carousel would be having only products or only categories. Choosing the products would bring up the section wherein you'll be able to choose the products that would be there within the carousel itself. So you can choose multiple products to set up into your carousel there. You can choose the status for the same as enabled or disabled, and enabled would display the carousel within your mobile app homepage there, depending upon the products or the categories that you've added within this particular carousel. So you can set the name of the carousel as well, like new hot arrivals. You can choose it as the type of the carousel as the products or categories. So if you choose categories, then you can choose multiple categories, and the categories would then be visible within the carousel itself. And lastly, you'll have to tap here on the save button to save the settings. So that's how you can easily create the carousels for your WooCommerce mobile app homepage. Now coming to the featured products now, but before that you can see that we have one category type, and one is of the product type having different products. Category carousel has a category being added there. Now coming to the featured products, here the admin can basically manage the featured product list, and here you can see that we've already added a few products that are set as featured products, and these are visible at the mobile end itself. So to add a new featured product into the featured product list, you'll have to tap here on the add product button, and then you need to choose a product or multiple products that you want to set as featured products for your featured product section on your mobile home screen. So after tapping add, you can see that we have the complete list of products that we have. And to add a new featured product, what you need to do is, here's a list. You'll have to just tap here on this icon here, and that would set this particular customizable mug as a featured product. So that's how easily you can set the what we say as the featured products very easily. By just tapping here. To undo that, you'll have to uncheck this option here. So that was it, and from here you can also delete the products that you want to delete as per your own requirement, and you can also sort and search the products from here itself. So that was about the featured products. Now let's go on to the featured categories. Now here under the app categories, the admin can manage the featured categories as well, and the admin can manage the existing featured category list or can add more featured categories from the dashboard itself. And here you can see the complete list of ones that we have already added. And to add a featured category, just tap here on the add featured category button, and that brings up this section wherein you can set the sort order for your category within the featured category section. From the drop down, you can choose your category, set it as enabled or disabled, and then just tap here on the save button, and that would create your featured category itself. So this category is already a featured category. Okay, that has been already added, and after creation it would then be listed here under the featured category section. So if you remember the mobile end, I had showed you the same as well there. Just to recognize these images. Now after the featured categories, let's hop on to the notification section, and from here the WooCommerce store admin can create more notifications or can add as required the notifications, and these are to be sent on the mobile through the app itself. So the admin can add a new notification by tapping here on the add notification. Apart from that, he can send bulk notifications by choosing the notifications and tapping on the send bulk notifications option, and then tapping on the apply button. From here he can also delete any of the created ones that he has already created. To add a new notification, he can tap here on the add notification button, and that will bring up the section to create a new one. So here he'll be able to upload an image for the notification, set the title, the content of the notification that will be sent out to the customer, the notification type, whether the notification is regarding the product or category. Now choosing the type would bring up the section wherein the admin can choose the product for towards which the customer should be redirected, or can make use of the category as well for the notification. So this was the product notification. This one is the category notification to the customer. Just choose it as enabled and tap here on the save button to save your particular notification. And to send the notifications, I've already shown you how you can do that from the bulk actions drop down. So if I choose all of the notifications, I can tap here on the this and then choose the apply button, and this would send out the bulk notifications to the respective customers there. Alright, there's some issue with the sending of notifications, maybe the internet connectivity issue is there. Alright, might not. And now let's hop on to the external links. Now these links are visible in the mobile application as well for your WooCommerce mobile app, and you can add 3 different links, and you can from here you can set the link titles. If you remember, this took us to the URL for the my account with the customer. This was the shop page there, and this was the welcome page link that we had attached on the external links that redirects the customers to the browser page wherein he can access the titles that we have created using the respective links for the same. So accordingly you can change them up and tap here on the save changes to save the changes. Now kindly note that for the notifications section, here we have basically used the file-based cloud messaging, and to make the notification sending process more relevant and seamless. And these notifications are used to send notification to the users by the admin to the mobile end itself, so that for example the content get ready with the wild streak, some new update is coming. So the Firebase has been used, the cloud messaging has been used to send out the messages. Now coming to the settings section, here what we can do is we can configure the Google authorization key, the user ID and the password there, and then you just need to tap here on the save changes. For more details, just check the user guide and the live demo that I have attached within the description of this particular video itself. So so that was much about the configuration part of the mobile app itself. And if you see, this is the browser page for the website itself, the front end on the mobile that I was just demonstrating you in the previous video. This is the website for the WooCommerce for that. These are the initial products there. Alright, and if I go to my home page, let me show you that. Let's go to the home page once. Whatever we have configured is visible here as well. These are the all product mix, recent products, featured products, top rated products, on sale products, best sellers, and likely as we have depending upon the configuration there. So that was much about the configuration part, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, kindly do get back to us at support@webkul.com. Drop us a ticket at webkul.uvidis.com. Contact us through https://www.webkul.com. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.